friends, tonight you know we're having cod for dinner. So I'm going to show you how I just simply pan fry it. Very, very simple. I have got flour, I've got an egg wash, and I've got my homemade breadcrumbs. And to the flour, you see here, I'm just going to put a little bit of pepper because that's all I'm seasoning it with is a little salt and pepper. Okay, mix that around. Okay, now I got this huge pack of fish here. I haven't even opened it up yet. Look at it. Looks gorgeous. Can you see that? Beautiful fillets of fish. Oh, let's see here. There's two big fillets, so I am going to cut them because that's just way too big. Okay, let me cut these in a minute. Let's see this one here. Okay, so I got 1, 2, 3, like 5 nice big pieces. Our pan, I believe, is ready. Yep, our pan is ready. I'm going to turn it down just a little bit more. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to roll this in the flour. And we're going to coat it real good with the flour. Okay? And then from there, we're going to put it into the egg wash. And get it real good. Okay, and then we're going to coat it with our breadcrumbs. You can use the planko breadcrumbs. I just always use my homemade breadcrumbs. Okay, see that just like so? Now it's just going to go right in that oil. Beautiful, look at that. Here's another piece. And we just cook them till they're golden brown on each side. Put that around in there. Put that around the breadcrumbs. That's beautiful. Gotta watch that cast iron because that gets hot really quick. Okay. There. Ooh, there's the second one. All right, let me wash my hands off. Keep an eye on that. I'm just going to line a paper plate right here with some paper towel. Alright. Let's flip that over. That is gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful. That was a beautiful couple fillets of fish. Well, it should be. It's quite costly, but it's good. So I'm just going to let that side cook for a few minutes, and then when it's done, I'll bring you back and I'll show you how nice it turns out. Hey friends, there is our fish. It's beautiful. It's easy to fry. I got them fish, potatoes, and a salad. Beautiful dinner. There you have it. Give it a try. You will like it, but make sure you buy it on sale. Thanks for watching.